How to make an appeal on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an appeal on Snapchat. If your Snapchat account has been permanently banned due to a violation of community guidelines, you may have the option to appeal. To check if you're eligible to appeal, open the Snapchat app and try to log in. If your account is locked, a pop-up message will appear. Tap Appeal Decision to start the appeal process. If your appeal is approved, Snapchat will email you confirming that your account has been reinstated and any strike against your account will be removed. If your appeal is denied, Snapchat will email you, letting you know that the decision is final and your account will be permanently deleted. For EU users, if your appeal is unsuccessful, you can further appeal through an out-of-court dispute settlement body certified under the Digital Services Act. You may also resolve disputes through Snapchat's Terms of Service. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.